Today we are kicking off World Science Festival Brisbane 2017 right here in Gladstone, and the way that we get to capture the imagination of young people and their families in terms of the wonders of science, there's no better way to do it.
Today it's been really exciting. We've got to walk around and we've got to learn a bit more about science, and everyone's just so passionate about it. I didn't know that it would be this interesting actually.
I think it's pretty great, so we can learn a lot about how gravity works and the solar system and things that are hard to explain. We've been having speed chats with scientists about their profession and what they do and why they do it.
We learnt about spiders and how they grow, and drones. We got to meet all different scientists, and it was really interesting to realise that science isn't just about physics.
Engineering, you get to design things that no one else has designed, and you can come up with whatever your mind imagines.
It's been really fun. We've made a prosthetic leg out of supplies that they've given us.
I never really thought about science, but so far today it seems like a good career.
There is no way that kids out here in these areas get to see this stuff very often. We'll be talking about this all week, I bet, like me and my individual classes for sure.
Everywhere you look, it's very interesting. I really like the street science because you got to make your own bouncing balls.
The spiders are so awesome. Like now I know a bunch of stuff that I had no idea about.
Oh, it's unreal. It's an eye-opener for adults and kids alike.
At the museum, of course.
Whether they're from New York or Brisbane itself, it's amazing to go and listen to some of these really clever, inspiring people.
You can see everyone in the audience getting into it and excited from young to old, and I think it's going to inspire people that might think, oh, science is actually something to go into.
It's basically the study of everything around us and how everything works, from an ant's legs to a car's motor.
Science is the knowledge of the world and everything in it. Science is the best.